101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. And with the program, Smart of Your Life, English discussion with English communities in Makassar. And now, I'm not alone, yeah. I'm with some of friends here, yeah. So maybe you can introduce yourself and also your communities and the program of it. Maybe we're gonna start from my right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for opportunity. My full name is Muhammad Adim Bahri, and then you can call me Adim. And then I present my community, and then my community is Meta, Macha English Talk Assembly. And then for our agenda, on every Saturday, maybe deep grammar and then group discussion or something like that, debate or maybe and then for place maybe for now nomaden because it's the new community, and then there are many special place for this community. And then please guys follow our Instagram, Matcha Education or Matcha Community. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. Yeah. Also including debate. Yeah. If you guys want to learn debate, maybe you can join Meta. Okay. Next.
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunities. Okay, let me to introduce myself. My full name is Zulkarnain Rahmadil Alamin, and the people say can call me by Zul. And I'm from the Student Association of English Education Department, and our program is like a communities learning service. We provide about the learning together, such as the grammar or speaking, and then the listening, like that.
Okay, good. So, from what university? You don't mention before.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm from the UIN Alauddin Makassar.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Zul.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the left.
Thank you for the Is it on? Okay. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Andita Rahel Nisa. You can call me Tari. I am from Poltek Par Makassar English Club. Our agenda in the community is to bring basic teaching in English towards our students in university. And yeah, it mostly contains group discussion, basic teaching, and also currently we have a new program which called practice for competition like debate, speech, storytelling, and etc. Thank you.
Oh, so nice. Yeah, also preparing for competition.
Yep.
Yeah. So nice. Okay, we're gonna go.
Yeah. Okay, good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for the chance has been given to me to introduce myself. Yeah, my name is Abdul Majid. Of course, I come from Makassar. Yeah, I'm a guide. My job more than 40 years. Yeah, this one and this is. I'm graduated from Academy for Language before English department in 1975. I'm not mistaken, the first established in the time Academy for Language. Okay, I think that is all. I'm married. I have five. I have 5 great grandchildren. Okay, thank you very much for my introduction.
Okay, so long, yeah, you
Yeah.
are in this field of
Yeah.
English. Yeah.
40 years.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
And also, our topic today talking about language barriers. Yeah, if we know that if we use any other language except our mother tongue, of course, there's difficulties, right? So we're gonna talk about that kind of topic
Any
today.
language, yeah?
Yeah, of course, not only English.
Because there are many ethnics here, there are many languages. Yeah.
Okay, maybe we're gonna go from the excited one. Yeah,
thank
our
you so
left.
much.
Okay, so what comes to your mind when you heard our topic today?
Yeah,
Language barriers.
Yeah, this is like this one. This is a good topic. the first time I know that about it, topic like this language barrier. Yeah. We continue again. Yeah, this is talking about language. Yeah, in Makassar only there are many kind of languages there, because there are many ethnics. Yeah, from outside, from Java, of course, different language. But if you meet another, how to say, another tribe, it's better don't talk about their local language, or talk is better Indonesian language, because there's another ethnic. Except you meet in another ethnic, like Japanese meet Japanese, no problem. Talk about their local language, Japanese, Makassar, or some. Yeah, but if the other ethnic again, you say that sometimes he is opened it, tersinggung, what do you say like this one? Because the language, because another ethnic, it's better to say the Indonesian. According to me, about the, if you about the language, the better of language one. It depends if we have a lot of how to say gathering together. Don't, it's better talk Indonesian, because there are many ethnic here. Maybe in the Bugis and the Palembang and this Madura, and I'm Japanese. This is the problem. Sometimes we are open it, tersinggung like the other person. If you talk another language like this one, it's better Indonesia, because Indonesia, the United Nations of Indonesian language. This from Japan, Sumatra, and Sulawesi until Iriana, mostly Indonesian. It's better use Indonesia. Except if there is another ethnic, it's better Indonesia. Local language you use, like we meet from Makassar to Makassar, never mind speak Makassaris. But we meet another language like Japanese, and from Sumatra one, don't talk about the local language. Better talk about or speak in Indonesia. I think so, like this, my opinion.
Okay, so it means that we gonna try to adapt with the
about the station,
the situation, the place of it. I guess that's a good one.
Yeah.
If we find any difficulties using that language, maybe we can adapt with that situation. We're gonna go with you, Sestari.
What was the question?
What comes to your what comes to your mind when you heard the topic today, language barriers?
Okay, when I heard the topic today, language barrier, I actually feel, this is more common than I thought. Because, well, it's not just English, because in my family also, we also have this kind of language barrier, because my family, because in my family, we have multi-language. we speak in multi-language. Well, my father speak Bugis and my mother speak Aceh, and sometimes yes, yep. And sometimes when I talk to my mother's family, it kind of hard to understand, because I didn't know any Aceh language. I actually know a little bit. No, it's from my mother. I actually, Bugis Propada. So I actually know this a little bit. So when I talk to my great grandmother, she cannot talk in Indonesia, so she only talk in Aceh language. So I need my mom to translate what she said. So I guess, especially Indonesia, it is more common.
Okay.
It's the center of beautiful girl.
Yeah.
According to investigation, in Sulawesi, this is not Sulawesi, Manado, Bali, Aceh. There are 3 places. How to say, produce of the beautiful ladies.
Yeah, and also, I guess you related with this topic, right?
Yes.
You go from Aceh.
Yeah. So your mom moved here?
My mom moved here.
Father
Oh.
work here too,
Yes, they both work here.
Okay. We're gonna go to Zul,
Okay, about the topic is the language barriers, is it right?
Yes.
Is the problem commonly in this world, because I have some happen in my family, because my family, every I go back to my country, my family suddenly to speak by Indonesia, but every time they are speak by Bugis language like that. But I'm also not understand what all of the people say with the Bugis language, because I don't understand about the Bugis language.
Indonesia, you know.
Yes, but Indonesia also I understand.
Because you are mixing blood.
Yeah.
Yes, and then I have the friends in the Java. My friend in the Java is even they speak with the Java language, is I think the language of Java is very soft than from the Makassar, like
Yeah,
that.
but this was with Java because Java is large. Yeah, it's Java.
And
medium
the S
Yeah.
Java.
is Java.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
it's
Java.
Java.
Yes.
Yeah, Jawa Timur. But then this over there is scream about special Maduris too, not just only Makassar, but in Java is Java Maduris.
Yeah.
Orang Madura lebih keras lagi, harder than Makassar.
Anyway, how long did you live in East Java?
I have in the Java since 6 years in the Java,
Oh, okay.
and then after that I go to the Sumatra for the 1 year.
What do you speak Japanese? Do you know?
Not
You only stay in
because I'm from Makassar, Indonesia. No.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you very much. About my statement or my opinion about this topic, I think this topic is general, but the house have taught me about this theme, and then I want to make some statement for this theme. In my opinion, language barrier is a type of communication obstacle that occurs when people who speak different languages are unable to communicate languages, and then it's lead to misunderstanding or a lack of clear communication. I think this is my statement.
Okay, you give a conclusion, yeah,
Yeah.
from all of us. Yeah.
We need explanation where, but you say the conclusion.
Yeah.
You have been talking.
That's so
Yeah.
good. Thank you. Yeah. That's why we have like difficulties to communicate, and also sometimes not only the language but also the dialect, right?
Different.
Yeah, we find
Yeah,
difficult.
that's like every tribe different dialect.
Yes, of
In
course.
Makassar there are 5 dialect. Dialek Konjo. Ya, dialek Konjo from Bulukumba ya. Dialek Jumpandang. Dialek Lakiung. Dialek Turatea. Dialek Selayar.
There's
Different
a
dialect.
lot, yeah,
Yeah.
listener and viewers. And we're gonna go to the next question, which is from your experience, what difficulties do you find, yeah, when you use
Language.
other language, yeah,
Yeah.
except your mother tongue, and how you overcome that problem? We're gonna go from my right, I guess.
The difficulty.
Yes, and also how you overcome.
For okay, thank you very much. In my opinion, for this question, I think it's general difficult for everyone. Is shock culture, or maybe someone don't have understand their destination language, and then this is the most problem for this topic, because before you go some destination, you have to research before what is the local language use over there, and then you have to now or learn just a little if you want to talk maybe what are you doing, and then the basic language or the basic slang from your destination language. Then this is the how to overcome this problem. This is my statement.
Okay, there are some ways, yeah, to overcome, such as learn the language itself, even though like the greetings, yeah, or asking their situation or something. Okay, thank you so much. We're gonna go to Zul.
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunities. Okay, my opinion is if you want to travel each the country, you must to know about the first is about the culture in there. Yeah, especially in the language. Yeah, and then we must yes to adapt the language with the another people in there, and then we must to speak the common language in there. Like if we want to go to Sumatra, if the people mostly speak by Sumatra language, we must to speak the commonly language like Indonesia language in there.
Because there are many languages there.
Yes, like in the Sulawesi like that. Yes, and then the problem I think from the physical people like the misunderstanding about the language, and then the
Use Indonesian.
like that, and then even the hearing is not good like
Not
that.
clear, yeah?
Yes, about the people don't understand with
Misunderstanding
our
sometimes,
set. Yes, because there is the some people speak by the face until the people is can understand what he say like that. Okay, the overcomes that the problem is to speak by the common language in there.
Yeah, using the common language. Yeah, and this is really important to be a fast learner. I guess when we visit new place or something, we have to try to be familiar with anything, right? With the language, with the culture of it, and anything. Okay, so Starry, right here, you're gonna go.
I think what's hard from this is actually the dialects, and aside from the dialects, I think lack of knowledge of that language is also involved in that. I mean, well, whenever we travel outside our place and suddenly we didn't know anything much, there's a limit in our knowledge about this, how to say good morning, how to say can I ask you something, or how to say anything. Yeah, I think that's what's hard about this language barrier, because there is a lack of knowledge in the phrasing you use aside from the dialects. Thank you.
Yeah, of course, we need like the basic knowledge of what we face, right? Okay, we're gonna go to Mr. Majid.
Well, like this one, if we visit some region like this one, of course, we adapt for the post language. Over the after arriving the post, we are like this one. We say that, and we adapt like this one, and we can follow his language like this traditional language. Yeah, just only seldom to use Indonesian. The post, if you arrive the location or far from the city, of course, mostly speak local language. The problem we have to join it or adapt about it. We arrive there. If we speak Indonesian, sometimes say that you are arrogant to talk like this one and this, or speak another language. Yeah, it's better we follow about his language. Yeah, like if you come to like Turatea, you follow about dialect Turatea. Yeah, this is the problem. Thank you.
Okay, so we already talked about our difficulties, yeah, in communication, in other language, and also how to overcome. And there are so many ways, yeah. So we can recommend that ways to you. Okay, so before our conversation, kind of like very common, yeah, like talking about any other languages. But now, how about when you use English, right? So now we use English, and I want to know, yeah, like when you first learning about English, of course you find any difficulties back then, right?
Yes.
And do you feel like the environment and also like the people around you help you or something like that? So maybe we're gonna go to Zul, maybe, yeah. Yeah. Any difficulties when you learn English, and how you overcome that? Maybe by the society or something.
Okay, thank you very much. From my opinion is okay. The first things is the people, because if we know about the how to speaking by English language, our environment is not to help us, because if you want to speaking by English language, and you must to and you want to improve your English language, you must to speak with the native speakers. Yeah, if you speak by English language with the another people in Indonesia, and then the people is don't understand with the English language, is not to improve your language. Yeah, and then the difficulties, even I study with the English language, like the how to speak by the good pronunciation. Yeah, and then there is a lot of the lengths in the English language like that. Yeah, okay, that is from my opinion.
Okay, so you find difficulties actually when you communicate is because the environment not support you, yeah. So you do learn by yourself.
If I want to improve my speaking skills, I go to the Fort of Rotterdam. There is so a lot the native speaker. Is it right? Yes.
Because the center of tourists there.
Yes. And then I can to speak with my friends because I'm from the English education department.
Oh, good.
Yes, I try to speaking with my friends by English language to improve
yeah.
my skills like that.
Okay, so it's really helpful when you went to the Fort Rotterdam, yeah, and also your friends from your major that's help you to communicate in English. Okay, we go to Sis Tari right here.
My problem in learning English is actually well, the people around me is actually very supportive of me learning English. Actually, my mom, my dad, my friend, like I just happen to have friends who are also interested in learning English. That's why I can call it as a practice. So we talk in English most of the time, but most of the times that I found difficult in learning English is actually new words, because I like reading, and sometimes when I'm reading, I found new words with that. So, well, with that way, I I start to look up the word and understanding what is the word in this book.
Okay, I can tell that you really love English. So, when was the first time you in love with English?
I cannot say I'm in love in English, but I can but I can say I was but I can say I was taught English since I was a kid by my mom. Yeah, she's a passive speaker. And she cannot talk much, but she really supported me in learning another language, especially English.
Yeah, glad to hear that your family and your environment really supportive about that.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go with Sir Majid right now.
Yeah, okay. The strike difficulties about English. There was when how to say that I have enjoyed English. How to say instructor in Port Rotterdam. Sometimes I find some foreigners different dialect. Yeah, a different pronunciation. Like English, Australian English different, British English different, American English different, and moreover Indian. Oh, so difficult to Indian. Yeah, Indian language, because mostly English uses mostly the people of India. A lot of people use English in India than the other country. More than 80% use English there in India, but different dialects like this one. Yeah, by Indonesia, compared according to the how to say minister of the language in the time from Singapore, said the best English in the answer from Indonesia. I say that because he find out for the his student are from English department. Of course, good. If the local people, they don't meet like this one, is the problem. Of course, difficult. A lot of kind of difficult we find in English. The first about the pronunciation different. Moreover, if American English use slang, wow, this is the problem. If educated people, English educated people, good. Yeah, English, yeah. It's so clear and everything we know we can catch. Of course, because I find difficult of English, I always switch on television, special if there is Western film. Oh, like this one. I see that there's the pronunciation like that. Just only it. Oh, I can find it this the pronunciation like this one. This is I get it. The pronunciation well from Western film. Because now good, yeah. Just only look for the channel, no problem. Formerly, 50 years ago when I was start English department, we go to the movie to watch the Western film. But nowadays, only to select of the channel, yeah, we can find Western film. Yeah, this is the problem. Thank you so much.
Okay, very nice. Yeah, using the technology or even TV, we can learn the language. The problem itself, like you said, it's pronunciation, right?
Pronunciation different. Every country different pronunciation.
Yes, and also about the slang. Yeah, American
American slang.
people tendly to use any slang that makes
slang,
us
yeah.
confused. What they are talking about using that slang, and also like educated people make it clear. I think that's a good one actually.
Yeah,
But
like slang, like this. Okay, let's go restaurant. But godas, we are confused. Godas, what does mean? Oh, beresin sendiri. This is slang.
yeah.
It's the problem.
Or-
Yeah. Go banana. Oh, you are go banana. Oh, crazy. Yeah, it's slang.
Yeah.
I find it foreign accent, and after that I find this. Oh, crazy. Crazy. Go banana. Go das. Oh, go to the barisan sendiri. Yeah. Oh, this is your slang.
Yeah. But also, I highlight that talking about Indian people like using
Indian too.
English. I guess it's because English is their second language, not foreign.
Yeah.
And also Malaysian, also English
Malaysia
become
is
the
better
second.
than Indian. India usually like dialect India too, but mostly all of the people in the world, mostly India use English than the other people. 80% of Indian people are using English.
Also talking about Malaysia, maybe because the history of it, right?
Yeah, Malaysia, but just a little country over there, little population. But Indian, 1 billion.
Yeah, there's a lot.
More use
big
English.
country.
Yeah, than China. Yeah, the biggest, the dense population. Yeah, of course, difficulty of English. Yeah, for us, no problem. We only associate or mingling with some foreigner, like in Port Rotterdam, the center of the foreign there. It's good over there. Of course, ask them if you study English, your department, please come to Port Rotterdam. There is special season for foreigners there, September and July. You get a lot of foreigners come there. We can talk there. We call him to our place to introduce another. Or different Canada, different dialect. American different. English, British different. You come Indian, wow, so funny. Yeah, Indonesia is the best. Yeah, compare a lot of foreign country come to Port Rotterdam, especially the season musimnya adanya musim turis itu July and until September good. Because they want to come to Toraja to see Punyar ceremony, because Toraja is the best tourism over there. To see Punyar ceremony, the expensive in the world, according to the foreign area. Because slaughter buffalo 250 and the price from 50 million to 250 million.
Yeah.
Billion and billion the price. The expensive ceremony of the the ceremonial of the special funeral ceremony, expensive one in the world.
Yes.
According to the foreign said to me.
That's really unique actually, and also like talking about English, there are lots of dialect. Even in the UK, Scottish.
Scottish different, Canada different. Yeah, Indonesia is the best in Asia.
Indonesia.
But come to India, wow, like Indian song. his rhythm or his dialect. India, but good English. Yeah.
Proud to be Indonesian, right?
Yeah, Indonesia the best of Asia according to the best of the information said it. The best. Yeah, Asia, Indonesia, English good.
Yeah, I think it's also because we use alphabet, right? Use alphabet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and English use it. So when we try like learning English, we don't really find
But
any
there is
difficulties.
another we call Singlish. Do you know Singlish? Singaporean English.
Yeah.
I have seen a motor in Singapore. Oh my God, gear, mobile, motor.
Yeah.
This is Singaporean. Of course, Singaporean. Singlish we call it, Singlish.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I meet Singapore, we say, hey, do you speak Singlish? Yes, Singaporean English.
Yeah, and also they talk like a little bit of Mandarin,
Yeah.
like don't need la or something.
La, pakai la dan dat. Itu yang banyak.
Yeah.
Singapore. Yeah.
it's very interesting, I guess, talking about language, yeah, because there's a lot talking about barriers.
But
We
we can
can
understand it, like this one,
Yeah.
Singapore.
try to understand.
But the best in Asia, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Yeah.
Once again, proud to be Indonesian. Okay, thank you so much, and we're gonna go to the brother Adim, right? Okay.
What is the specific question?
Maybe because you're the last one, you
Yeah.
forget.
I forgot their statement.
Okay, so the difficulties that you found when you learn English,
Yeah.
right? And also how you overcome this, and how the role of maybe your family, or even the environment to help you.
Okay, thank you very much. When I first time learning English, I got difficult thing is my environment. I can't practice my English because my mom and my dad can understand about English. He just he just know yes or no, yes no, yes no, and then this is some or any difficult for me to practice my English, but I have overcome this problem to because I like to reading a book, and then I like reading a book.
English book, yeah.
Yeah, English
Yeah.
book for improve my reading
Especially,
or
Go on the
improve
story
my
you read, yeah.
vocabulary. Yeah.
Mm.
And then for now, maybe you can also join the community, English community, because there are many community in here for viewers. If you want to join English community, choose one of the community in here.
Because you know, sometimes English there is similarity, yeah.
Yeah.
Like the last, ultimately, yeah, you can open it. Ultimately terakhir, the last terakhir juga.
Okay.
Yeah, this right.
And then the last maybe for to overcome this problem because there are no reason for now to improve your English because there are many technological for help your practice maybe for help your English skills to improve your English skills, and then this is the most important to use this technology for help your English skills.
I remember when I was 40 years ago, yeah, when I stayed there for English department, I subscriber of the Hello. Hello is English magazine, the good one, but no more. This only I read many times because I was subscriber in the time, yeah, every month, more than 3 years and no more. Hello English magazine. Until now I still have. Yes, I read many times until 10 or 20 because we can find a lot of new vocabulary inside that. I still have like this one, like ultimately and the last, same.
Yeah, and also one thing like join English community. Yeah.
The good one.
That's a good advice, I guess. That's why we are
the
here,
good,
right?
Practicing English
Because-
conversation. Yeah, in Port Rotterdam, a lot of English conversation there.
And
There are
because
2 over there, English conversation.
yeah,
3, maths 2, BPC and Pioneer 3.
yeah, because the needs,
Yeah.
of the people
Yeah.
to using
And
English.
mostly now, there are many work outside in foreign company.
Okay.
Because from Port Rotterdam.
So we're gonna go to the next question, which is using technology, right? So the question is, have you ever used technology to bridge a language barriers? If so, how? Yeah. Have you ever used technology? So we're gonna go to Sis Tari right here.
Yeah, use technology.
To overcome language barrier in a technology, I actually use technology a lot to overcome this, because whenever I didn't know any words or any phrasing in another language, I start using Google Translate. Yes.
Like computer.
Yeah, like computer in my phone, and I actually have digital dictionary in my phone to look up.
You can find your vocab there.
Yes, that's right. and that's what I use.
Okay, digital dictionary. Yeah, that's so helpful, I guess. Okay, so Sir Majid, how about
Yeah. Yeah, like me, just only if I find difficult, just only I watch Western film. Yeah, some years ago, 50 years ago, yeah, I study English. I go to the movie to see Western film, but now it's good. Directly look for the channel, we can find Western film and a good pronunciation. Yeah, like this one. But sometimes the film at 2 o'clock a.m. Sometimes phonology, this is the problem. Yeah. But I like very much because I need it about the language. Yeah, but sometimes use slang uses like this one. Don't not see about the soundtrack or text. Yeah, don't say about the soundtrack, but listen carefully about the pronunciation of the actor or actresses. That's only it I know that. Oh, I can like this one. Yeah.
I'm curious about what channel.
Yeah,
When
channel,
you watch
a lot
the
of channel you can find it. Yeah, channel XSN, mostly Western film. Yeah, there is from America, there is from British, yeah, there is from Canada. You see, and yeah, the best one itu apa namanya? There is some how to say there, center yang itu Columbia, Columbia film itu yang bagus dengan MGM, yang itu bagus ya. Columbia ada satu lagi yang banyak apa nih? Itu Western film itu. This is a real film, not drama like Indonesia. Yeah. Betul-betul film itu diputar, bagus pronunciation-nya. Ini ada serial tuh, ya saya nonton, wih bagus ini. Because I don't know the story, but I see just only the pronunciation. I want to know that. Yeah. Oh, yes, like this one. Yeah. Only it.
Okay, thank you so much. And we're gonna go to the brother Adim right here.
Okay. For me, maybe I use same with Miss your dictionary, and then maybe
Digital dictionary.
yeah,
yes.
digital dictionary,
For
and
us,
then
only book dictionary.
then for now maybe the people always use Duolingo. Did you know Duolingo?
Bilingual.
Yeah, Duolingo, and then maybe if I free in my courses, and then I want to get some question, I'm just write in the AI, and then search some question about English, about some topic, and then I answer this topic to improve my speaking maybe. And same with Sir Majid, watching film.
Yeah.
Then this is the one of my hobby. Yeah.
See that we can get it pronunciation one. Yeah, especially Western film.
Yeah.
Because there are many film, Indonesian film, Indian film.
Yeah.
Yeah, Western film is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because in English we don't use vocabulary,
Yeah.
but you have to use slang or idiom,
Yeah,
and then
idiom.
you can get this one
Yeah, example I've said it
yeah.
like this one. Yeah.
on
Say from the
watching
film, I
film.
heard it.
Yeah.
Let's go to restaurant. Go that. Oh, what does mean? Oh, that's yeah. Go, you are go banana. Oh, crazy kamu. Yeah, itu good. Itu from the film.
Okay,
I
that's
I
all
got
for
it.
me.
Yeah.
Okay, so also watching movies or something from
Yeah.
Western movies.
What's the movie the best?
Yeah. How about you, Zo?
Okay, for my opinion, the first is use the digital dictionary, like DeepL. There is the some website we can DeepL.
Oh
Like that.
Yeah.
If you want
And,
to correct your grammar,
yeah, Grammarly. In the DeepL, we can choose the about the what the more high level of language in DeepL.
Sophisticated, yeah. Technology.
Yeah, so
Complex.
Yeah.
and then we can get the English language in the some film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Western film.
Especially in the Western, not
Yeah.
Indonesia, like if TV Indonesia
My
like
friend
that.
said English film, English film, Western film.
Western
Mostly
film.
Western film from America, not English film. Western film. Yeah.
Especially I like to watch movie Harry Potter.
Yeah, Harry Potter.
Because
A good
he use-
story.
yes.
Harry Potter, yeah.
Yeah.
Even the cartoon, but the story good. About the pronunciation good too.
Yes,
Harry
because
Potter.
use the
Yeah.
British,
Yeah, the
British
cartoon
pronunciation.
like this one, the Japanese good, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Harry Potter the best. Yeah.
And then I can
And Scooby
get
Doo
the-
too is
Scooby-Doo.
good. Even though
The cartoon.
but it's English good. Yeah, cartoon film, but it's pronunciation of the soundtrack English good. Yeah, I like it. Oh, good. The story about it.
I just noticed that.
Yeah, notice it. You can open it. Channel, look for it. You can find it. Yeah.
But even we watch some movie, we must to use the subtitle English also.
Yeah, of course.
Don't use the
Don't use
Indonesia
subtitle. Forget it. Subtitle kasi
Yes.
jangan dilihat.
Sorry. And then I can get learn about the English with the YouTube to watch
Yeah.
the podcast of English in the
Yeah.
YouTube like that.
Yeah, that's right. Good.
Okay, that's enough.
Like this program, right?
Yes.
You can you can watch it on YouTube,
Yes.
listener and
The
viewers.
best way, yeah, like this one, yeah, or to improve our
This is a
English
great,
well. By
great
using,
example.
By wearing this one. Yeah, good.
Okay.
And the leader is the best too.
Okay, guys, you must to watch the Smart TV podcast like this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Every
on
week.
YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah.
And subscribe.
YouTube.
Okay, that's enough from me.
Okay, very nice. Yeah, there are some ways also, yeah, from the a digital dictionary, watching Western movies. How about English song? Do you guys love it?
Yeah, good.
We
But
do.
mostly in this song, the lyric mostly are slang. Moreover, like I forget it, the black one. Yeah, I forget the black singers, the best. I forget who already has died there. Siapa?
There's a lot actually.
I forget it. Yeah, the best song, the best singer in the world Western song.
Oh.
Yeah, the black skin from Michael Jackson.
Oh, yeah,
Meninggal
yeah.
itu? Iya.
I think white.
Hah?
White skin.
Black skin. Kalau Michael Jackson. Orang tuh.
Or black
Cuma
outfit.
after operation, plastic operation to be white. Before black. Yeah. Before plastic operation. Plastic, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We learn also about history, right? We don't know about Michael Jackson
Yeah.
like history. Oh, so that's the truth.
Yeah, and now to be the second one, this is Westlife. Mostly the song's good. Westlife from UK. I like it.
Okay, so next I really curious about what's your favorite or what's your what's the slang that comes up to your mind right now? Yeah, English slang. Okay,
Yeah,
so
this
we're
is
gonna
like
go
from the song.
anything.
Yeah,
You can get it
this
from anything. So what's your favorite English slang?
Yeah, proper English slang. I can find all of the speaking English mostly use slangs a little. Mostly, yeah. Like America mostly use slang. Yeah, 20% slang, 80% the pure one. And this is the problem. Of course, it depends if right, I like it. If we listen from there, sometimes we confuse. What does it mean? Because slang, if right, we know that. But after that, there is because in the time I buy Hello Magazine Space English, there is some song, English song, the Western song, we find, like this, I use slang. The post paragraph, reference like this, English song. Because I was subscriber in the time, but no more now. Because from Semarang in the time, in Hello Magazine, English magazine. More than three years I was subscribing. And until now, I still read it every day, even though 10 times, 20 times, still collect it. Yeah, this one I read.
How about the English slang that you often use?
Yeah, often use like this, so we can find I like this one. Like I said it, go das, slang. Go banana, slang. And this one.
You can teach us what the meaning of it so the listener know.
Yeah, like go das, go to restaurant together, but go das. I translate it. Oh, kita pergi restoran bayar sendiri. Yeah. You are go banana. Yeah, you are crazy. Yeah, I translate according to me. No, from the other translator. Yeah, only me. I say they go like this one. Yeah, when I ask the foreigner, oh, that's right. There is another I find too. I forget there. Do and room as the Romans do. Do you know that slang too?
No.
Yeah,
What the meaning of it?
If translate to Indonesia, lain lubuk, lain ikannya. Lain negeri, lain adatnya. Itu. Do and rooms as the Romans do. Yeah, ada
Okay,
like I
okay.
forget it. I don't memorize well. I've been old to know.
How about you, Sis Tari? What's your favorite English slang?
My favorite English slang. Well, I cannot say there's.
Mostly the song.
I cannot say there's a favorite of my English slang because we use because we use slang all the time. But currently, I kinda like using Gen Z slang like slay period.
Slay.
Yeah, slay, like something like that. Because yeah, I have Twitter and most of my mutuals also use that kind of slang, especially from foreign mutuals. So I think Gen Z slang is kind of the best because it is also match our generation. So and that's my favorite slang actually, Gen
Okay.
Z slang.
If you want to get a slang like this one, look for the song of the Westlife. Mostly use slang.
Yeah.
Look for like coast to coast, mostly slang use. Yeah. But I have collect it and cut it from the newspaper. I find it where I forget it. There's someone borrow to copy it and without returning. In the time more than 30, mostly slang.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Gen Z, talking about Gen Z, also slay means cool, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one actually. How about you, Zul?
Okay, we're talking about the slang language. Yeah. Every time if I speak by English language, I don't ever to use the slang language. But I have for just one slang language. Is like easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the slang is so long, but the meaning is so short,
Yeah.
easy,
Easy.
like that.
If we translate, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So short. Yeah. The meaning.
It's like that. I know about the slang language.
Are you promoting Easy Peasy?
Oh.
Yeah. Slang. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. How about you, brother Adim, right there?
For me, maybe one slang, yeah, one slang. Maybe
It can be more
Oh,
actually.
can be more. Maybe as soon as possible, or maybe a fake, as fair as I know. Yeah, as far as I know. If the meaning is if you want to explain about something and then you don't understand more, yeah, and then this is you can use this slang for maybe tell your opinion for something, maybe something like that.
Yeah, people usually use as far as know.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they don't really know,
Yeah.
about the information or something.
Indonesia use many slang too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like bokap, bongap. Like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
Bonyok.
slang. Bonyok.
What else?
Yeah.
Maybe for a general slang maybe by the way.
Oh, yeah,
By the
yeah,
way.
yeah,
Yeah, on the way.
Yeah.
But you still at home.
But not by accident. No.
I think that this is the general slang for I
Indonesia.
know. Yeah. I think that's all for me.
Okay, thank you so much.
You know, mostly language to become a Makassarese language like BH. In Makassar say or Bugis say there, local language say there, mana BH-ku. But English, do you know?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you know the standpoint of the BH?
What?
BH. Mana BH-ku orang Indonesia bilang tuh. Do you know standpoint kepanjangannya apa?
What?
Breath holder. Ini.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Itu BH
It's
itu.
a good
Yeah.
when we
Yeah, but to be Indonesian now, to be bahasa mana BH-ku? Baru English. The second one, DP-nya berapa? In English too. You know?
okay.
DP, panjar toh? Indonesia, in English, down payment.
down payment.
Ya, banyak itu. Orang tahu bahasa Indonesia mi.
Okay, that's the
Yeah.
closing, I guess,
Yeah.
for our conversation today, our discussion today. Yeah, maybe we're gonna close with some posts, about slay, with some kind of post, anything, maybe like slay. Yeah, do you want to try it before we close it?
It's okay.
Okay, I mean like together.
All together.
When we say slay, just show your pose,
Okay.
anything. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Slay. Anything. Okay, see you next time every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Yeah.
Every week.
Yeah, next week you can watch it. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.
Tuesday again, yeah. Next week, yeah, Tuesday.